What's happening? I'm using your arm like a jumper cable and supplying more energy to the nerve that goes to that muscle. That's what I did. Okay, so if that's the truth, and that's where the problem is, because your body has like neurological breakers in it. And they can be tripped just like a breaker in your house. And if you don't know how to turn them back on, they're going to stay tripped forever. Now sometimes a subluxation causes that, and sometimes it's not a subluxation that causes that. Sometimes it's an organ tension or stress that's causing that. It's caused by an emotion or some sort of chemical imbalance. There's lots of different places to look. Hold this real strong for me. What happened? We turned the switch back on. And we did it with a magic red light. Oh, that's a lot of smoke and mirrors. Okay. But let's look at this. If let's say you've got several muscles in your body that aren't working. Okay? Because you've tripped them, because the stresses in your life have tripped those breakers. Now, that muscle did work. She could do that. So there's more than one breaker going to that muscle. But if she has 5 breakers going to that muscle and 3 of them are flipped off, the muscle can move, but it won't be strong. With me? And I don't care how much she exercises and goes to physical therapy, if there's no power going to those muscles, they're not going to get stronger. The power's off. Now those muscles those muscle bands that are getting the nervous input, they'll get bigger and stronger, but the ones that aren't are not. Is that muscle going to burn as many calories? No. So one of the things that's creating loss, not being able to lose weight, is your muscles aren't turned on. You're not burning as many calories as you should. One little thing.